All right, my little data junkies, I'm gonna try to get you in and out of here quickly today because business is pretty busy for me right now, which is kind of surprising this time of year, but mostly in part to all of you guys. So thank you for watching and especially for booking appointments with me. So let's go ahead and get into this quickly. All right, I feel like we're kind of in a holding pattern here, right? So last year, 2,394 active listings, now 2,670, up 11.5% year over year. That is very good news for buyers. That is not good news for sellers. And then the worst news for sellers, 280 sales in January of 2018, 213 sales of January 2019. I will tell you this from being here, I felt like the market was just really slow this winter time. Speculate what you want. Some people say it's the weather wasn't cold enough in the Northeast. I don't know. I deal with a lot of Canadians. I think you guys are cold all the time. I don't think it really matters. So I think there could be other things at play. And likely one of them is prices just rose a lot and we're taking a little bit of a breather. I think it's the most likely explanation. So not really good or bad. Again, it's always know where you are in the market, right? If you're in the low dollar range, then there's days on market and the inventory numbers, they're totally different than if you're on the high end. So let's go right on to the next. Price per square foot from $337 down to $325. So down 3.6% year over year. Those that have been with me for a while, or if you've even just watched one video, you know I don't put a whole lot of stock in this. This is just a broad overview. If you're in a specific dollar segment, we got to look at that. Median pricing from $335 to $347, up 3.6%. Again, don't let this fool you. Depends where you are in the market. Use it as a yardstick. That's the best thing I can say to you, but don't put a ton of stock into it. This is interesting, right? From 118 days down to 101 days for the average days on market. Now that's the time when you were actually on market, not the time that you went pending sale to closing, just how long you were actually active before you found a buyer to put you under contract. So that's a really good thing for sellers. That's a really good number to see going down year over year. Definitely a bright point. A lot of this is going to have to do with the lower priced properties. Those are really still selling really quickly. I mean, look, if you have a single family home priced below $350,000, you're probably looking 10 to 15 days on market if you're priced competitively. They just move right away. Higher end is just taking a lot longer. So when you average it all out, here's kind of where we sit. So if there's a bright spot for you, if you're a seller, it's that if you price correctly, you should be able to sell. You know, here you're looking at what, 3.5 months anyways. So not setting any land speed records, but not terrible. Oh, this one hurts if you're a seller. So we are up to 12.5 months of inventory. It's a high number. There's no other way to say it. We have a lot of active listings and slowing sales. It's going to lead to excess inventory. It's just how the math works, right? For those of you that are new to this, 6 months of supply favors neither buyers nor sellers. Less than 6 months is going to favor sellers. More than 6 months is going to favor buyers. Also, if you've been with me for a while, you know this is my favorite of all the slides because it's quickly the most telling. You can take a look at this just in a snapshot and figure out market fast or slow, are we in buyers or sellers market? And there are a lot of listings. It just tells you a lot. So pay a lot of attention to this. That's it. I got nothing more for you guys today. No extracurricular thoughts, no homework. I'm out of here. I'll talk to you guys next month. Hope all is well.